We're gonna make a cheesy little birthday card. This is the message inside. And this is what the image is going to look like on the outside. So we need to light it up with a circuit for those little winking eyes. So I'm gonna have my switch be right here behind this power button. So I'm gonna glue down my switch. Okay, put this down right here, and that's going to hold my battery. And the battery will be attached with a little, I call it a tape donut. This is copper tape, and I roll it up into a little donut shape. If I can take the backing off, great. So you roll it up, bloop, 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 like this, and you attach it right to the back. Then I need to get the pieces of copper tape for my actual circuit, and about that long should work. So I lay it out in two kind of parallel lines, one going below where the lights are gonna go, and then it folds over my little switch. If you ever break it, start it over. Okay, and now I need another piece. It's gonna go along here and then down. So I peel off the backing again, and I lay it down right here. And we're going to be adding some LED lights. The LED lights have a long leg and a short leg. The long leg needs to connect with the positive side of the battery, which is the top of the battery. And so my top, or the positive side, is going to be here. So the long leg needs to connect here. I'm going to put this right there and make sure those two will touch. Looks like they will. Great. So the long leg is going to connect to here. And for this one, I'm going to do it right on the back of the image and then attach it to the card. So I kind of poke the light through the hole here, and then we're going to glue or tape down each leg of the light, making sure they really stick down to the copper tape. To the other one, I have a little bit of an extra piece of tape there, so I'll cut that off. My second one here, the long leg going over here by the positive side, and the shorter leg is going to be connecting to the negative side, the bottom of the thing. So, ooh, it looks like it works. So then I will attach it to the front of the card here, and when we press down, it will light up. The thing I like about doing the circuit right on the back and then attaching the image to the card is that you can create a pocket where the battery can't fall out of the card, and it's a little bit safer that way. And then you have the whole inside just for the image, and you can't see the circuitry on the inside.